Hello, welcome back. It's a brand new week, Monday, 10th of August 2020. Quite a silent weekend it was, and didn't go anywhere on Saturday. I just tried to stay indoors, and I'm like, there's nothing much planned for Saturday. I just was at home. But yesterday, I managed to go out in my car. It's been a while since me, my wife, and my kid had gone out. So since I think probably the Valley School visit, we had not gone anywhere. So we just went out for a small drive. It started pretty bit late itself. It was almost 10 o'clock when it started. So went there, just like a casual drive. For a change, this time we packed our breakfast. All three of us. We had lunch in the grasslands of Hesarghetta. Frankly speaking, Hesarghetta is not new to me. I've heard a lot about it since ages, I would say, from the wildlife fraternity. But yeah, I've gone to the proper Hesarghetta area as well, but never gone to the lake part of it. Even yesterday we didn't go to the lake, we went to the grassland side of the place. So went there, had a breakfast, had a relaxed time, took a lot of photos of Mintu. I just thought I lacked photos of good photos of Mintu, so I just spent some time taking some photographs. So that's pretty much how the Sunday went, or probably how the weekend was. But one topic that I want to talk about or touch upon, I don't know how long I'll be able to talk today. I don't have much to talk about today, but I just realized the talking part of it. Talking can solve problems, and on the other side, not talking can introduce problems. It can introduce problems, it can introduce difference of opinions, and that can lead to far more complicated things. So that's exactly what I kind of realized with a few conversations that I had over the last maybe around 3 or 4 days. And one sort of things I realized that there are certain set of people who interact with me, or probably I would say my family, only when they need some work and only when they want some inputs from us. And when they give inputs, they just it's done, okay, we don't have anything to talk to you. On the contrary, from our end, after giving the inputs, we are expecting some kind of an acknowledgement or a response back, whether that input helped or whether what next and all that stuff. I wouldn't say it's mandatory, but the kind of situation that we are in, the type of conversation that we are in, and the type of inputs we give, we kind of expect it. Is normal to expect to get a response. But usually, I will say, usually 90% of the times, to be very frank with you, these people, they don't respond, they don't come back. They say I'll call, and they don't call back, or most of the time they don't even call back. When the work is done, they just move away, and that's what I don't like. Okay, at least drop a one-line message that it helped, it didn't help, we did this, we didn't do that. Something that would have been just going missing in action is not a type of thing that I would expect. And that's what it start growing upon us, and we tend to feel that next time when they come, you realize that they came here just for the help. You just give them what they want, and just put your mind clear that they won't come back with any response. So I kind of didn't like a couple of incidents happened with the same set of people, and I just realized that again, they didn't come back, and we are sitting here waiting for them to respond. And I don't want to call and ask them what happened, because from outside sources we already got to know what happened, which is far more disturbing than we getting to know directly from them or anything. So I don't want to call and ask for something which I know, ideally which they should have told, which is kind of embarrassing for them. I don't know if they realize that. That's one side of the spin. And other side is a conversation which I kind of had with my wife earlier in the day. So she was just talking casually, when we were having coffee, she was just telling about few things that in the past which I have done or I have not done, which she didn't like. And unfortunately, she had kind of kept it in her mind since a very long time, maybe a year or more like that. I just asked her like, why didn't you bring it up when that incident happened, or whenever I did something, or when I didn't do something. Apparently she felt that I will take it up a little bit too seriously, or I might get agitated and all. The problem is that's the kind of mindset that I have. Okay, and I tend to get provoked very easily, very fastly. I'm a bit too sensitive on such stuff. I get agitated a little bit early. I used to be very short-tempered. I'm telling you, I used to be. Now that I'm not really that short-tempered, that kind of has literally transformed or morphed into this me getting agitated or like becoming impatient very soon. So I don't shout at people, I don't break things, which I used to do probably like I would say 10, 15, 20 years back. But it has got kind of like translated into me being a very impatient, or somebody who gets irritated very soon. So she felt that I might get irritated, I might get agitated, and she didn't say. But I was just telling her like the consequence of she not telling might or would have been bad, or maybe it's bad, but good that she told now. Again, as I told you in the beginning, talking solves problem, at least up to a certain extent here. But not talking, at least if she had not told this now also, then it would have been like a bigger problem, because I would have assumed whatever I did was right. And maybe like if she had told in the past, I would have probably got agitated and I would have confronted, but at least like I would have understood that what I was doing was wrong. But that's something which happened. Like I just want, like these two incidents, like the first part of it, what I told you with one of my relatives, that happened quite frequently over the last few days, that they're not talking, which in turn makes us assume things or probably get things from outside. But again, I'll probably repeat the same statement to close off this video. Talking might solve problems, not talking might introduce problems. Think about it. Thank you. See you tomorrow. It's a holiday tomorrow. Plan to go for a small ride in the bike. Let's see how it goes. It all depends on how sooner I get up, or probably I'll go in the evening also. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.